Hello world, welcome to Quick Drawing Tips. Today we have Kairi Sane and Ayoshirai. That's right, the Sky Pirates, let's go!
Ayoshirai and Kairi saying that when they were Sky Pirates in WWE NXT. Okay, this might look complicated because there's two faces. Let's break it down. First, Ayoshirai's border. See, it comes like a semicircle here, and then you leave out this entire part for Kairi Sane. So once you're done with that, make this part. See this part. So on the right hand side you have Ayoshirai's semicircle border, and on the left hand side you have her hand. So you cannot cross this part. So once you have these two borders in line, draw her face. Do not, I repeat, do not touch the hair in front. Hair always comes last. Make her face, draw the shades, make this her hand, and on the right hand side you start drawing Ayoshirai's face, this eyes. You can start shading right off the bat, and finally, like 50% of this page is entirely covered with hair, and hair is the easiest thing to make. That was the tip of the day.
Thank you so much for watching that video. Salute to you, thumbs downs, just show me some love, subscribe, and put your thoughts in the comments. Put your thoughts in the comments. Okay, do it, do it!